Labubu unboxing. Ready?
Yeah. Okay.
We're doing the have a seat.
One.
Let's see the bag. Ooh,
I want the secret one.
secret one. Which one did you get? Let's see. Oh, the pink one.
You got Dada.
We got Dada, the pink one. It's so
There's
cute.
such a
Labubu.
Wait, I just
That was not fair.